Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the process I go through when I'm working on a press-on nail order. First thing, I did want to show you guys how I get my customer sizes. This is a very popular question I get on this channel, and I do sell sizing kits. A lot of press-on businesses do this differently, but I require customers to have a sizing kit. That's the only measurements I go by. I don't do any other like the coin method or measurements because they can all be off. I feel like customers trying on the actual nails I'm using is the most accurate. And yeah, here I am making a sizing kit. I have them on my website. The customer gets to choose the shape or length they want. I believe here I'm making medium square, and you just give them one of each nail tip, 0 through 9 or whatever nail tips you use. Ship it out to them, and when they get it, they get to try on each nail and figure out the size. If they don't fit my size guide, which you can kind of see right there on the screen, there's extra small through large. If they don't fit any of those sizes, then there'll be a custom size. And when they order from me, I do have a little box where where they can enter their custom size. I'll probably put that on the screen as well. Editing me, remember to put that on the screen. But yeah, so that is how I get my customer sizes. It's pretty simple, and I would highly recommend this. So here's the order we're going to be working on in this video. This customer wanted a recreation set from Kimchi Nails. Here she is. The set is so gorgeous. The customer wants this set in her size, which is medium, and she wants it in medium square length. The set was $60. She paid $70 altogether. She paid $4 for shipping and $6 as a tip. We love that. For nail tips, I'm using Natural Square from Apres. For the nude base, I'm going to be using Nails Blinged in the shade NB19. This is one of my favorites. I love it so much. I'm going to add 2 to 3 layers on the nails that need it. And when I'm working on a set, I work on both nail tips from each hand. For this one, these 4 fingers, the 2 thumbs and the 2 pinkies, are all just the same yellow shade. So I'm going to be working on them at the same time. When I'm using a solid color, I do get a lint-free wipe and some acetone and chemically etch it. This is basically the same thing as buffing with a buffer, except for it's easier on your hands. I'm applying this yellow shade from Nails and Blinks. I did do 2 coats. The shade is 42, I believe. Yeah, 42 from Nails and Blinks. It's such a pretty yellow shade. And I'm going to be using these silver pearl charms I got from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description of this video. Here I am laying down some rhinestone gel and just putting those pearls on. I'm going to put them on all the thumbs and pinkies. There they are, all finished. I love how this design is, honestly. Next, I'm going to be working on the pointer fingers, and this one is just a French tip with those same pearls. For black, I'm using this black from Brother Cosmetics. The way the gel pours out this bottle is so annoying. But it's a decent black, so I still use it. And I do wipe it off. It always ends up like that. But yeah, we're going to do a quick little black French tip, cure that. Then I'm going to add some rhinestone gel. And then I'm going to start adding the silver pearl charms. I'm going to add 4 and just make them in a straight line. Cure it after it's as straight as can be. And then I'm going to be adding 2 more lines on both sides. Here's what the nail set is looking like so far. Now we're going to work on the middle fingers. The middle fingers is basically like this blooming flower. You're going to use some blooming gel. I use this one from Double Rhythm, also linked in the description of the video. You're going to go in with one light layer. Do not cure it. Just leave it wet like that, and you're going to get a dotting tool, dip it into some black gel polish, and here I am in real time, no cuts. This is how quick I try to get the flower because it does bloom pretty quickly. I do 5 dots, which is like 5 petals on a flower. I let it spread a little longer, and then I go ahead and cure that for a minute. After it's cured, I do wipe off that sticky layer that the blooming gel leaves. And then I go in with the same black and do these little lines. I don't even know what to call them, but I do thin little lines and cure each one. Once it's cured, I'm adding some rhinestone gel in the center and then putting some more of those silver pearl beads that I've already used on the other nails. Cure that, and then you're done with that flower design. And now it's time to do the last design on this nail set. It's just going to be a chrome French tip. I'm going to start by applying matte gel polish to the nail. I use this one from Double Rhythm. After I apply the matte gel top coat, I put it in the UV lamp for 2 minutes to make sure it's completely dry. After those 2 minutes, I go ahead and do my black French tip. Once I cure that, I get my chrome. I finally found the link to this chrome. It is on Amazon. I'll have it in the description. It's so pretty. And I have this little tool I use to put the chrome on. I'll also have this linked. And we're going to go ahead and just rub that chrome into our black cured paint. Gel paint, whatever, you guys know what I'm talking about. Once I have that down, I'm going to wipe it with a makeup wedge. And there is our chrome French tip. Our set is now complete. I'm going to go ahead and top coat that with my favorite top coat ever, Coupa. I only showed one nail, but obviously I top coat the whole entire set. And then I went ahead and filed after top coating. I boxed the set. Here it is. I have 2 more orders going out with it. And I also do print my shipping labels from home. I have a video on how I do that. I'm going to go ahead and now take this to the post office and ship it out to my customers. That is how the process looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it helped you out. I will see you next time. Bye.